Hi everyone! Welcome to this video. We're diving into a super important topic today. We'll learn about Salesforce External Named Credentials. Specifically, we'll use the OAuth Client Credentials flow. This is perfect for secure, server-to-server communication. You want your Salesforce org to talk to an external API. You don't want a user to log in every time. This is the solution. Let's get started with the setup. First, understand what an external named credential is. It's a secure container. It holds all the authentication details for an external system. Salesforce uses it to connect without exposing sensitive information. The OAuth Client Credentials flow is for machine-to-machine calls. It uses a client ID and client secret. These are like a username and password for your application. The external system gives these to you. You also need the token URL. This is where Salesforce asks for an access token. Our first step in Salesforce is to set up an auth provider. Go to Setup, then search for auth providers. Click New. Choose OpenID Connect as the provider type. Give it a name, like My External API Provider. The URL suffix will autofill. Now, enter your client ID into consumer key. Put your client secret into consumer secret. For token endpoint URL, use the URL provided by your external system. This is where Salesforce will get the actual access token. For authorized endpoint URL, you can often use a dummy URL or even the token endpoint URL if no separate authorization is required for client credentials. Add any default scopes if your API needs them. Save this auth provider. Next, we create an external credential. Search for external credentials in Setup. Click New. Give it a clear name, like My External API Auth. The API name will autofill. Select OAuth 2.0 as the authentication protocol. Choose client credentials for the authentication flow. Then, link it to the authentication provider you just created. Add any necessary scope values here too. Save this external credential. This credential holds the connection details. It links to our auth provider. Finally, we create the named credential itself. Search for named credentials in Setup. Click New External Credential. Give it a label and an API name. The URL field is very important. This is the base URL of your external API. For example, https://api.yourexternalsystem.com. Then, select the external credential you just made from the dropdown. Check Allow Merge Fields in HTTP body. Also, check Generate Authorization Header. This tells Salesforce to automatically add the authorization, bearer token, header to your requests. Save your named credential. Now, you are ready to use it. In Apex, you can make a HTTP request. Set its endpoint like this. Call out my named credential /resource/path. Salesforce handles all the authentication. It gets the token, adds the header, and makes the call. This makes your code clean and secure. You don't store secrets in Apex. You can also use this with Salesforce flows via external services. It's a powerful and secure way to integrate. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If you learned something new today, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more Salesforce tips and tricks. We'll see you in the next one.